notice? Hybrids are actually clones. That's why Nibs suddenly fell into thought. She's actually gradually realizing the truth. The children who underwent the synthetic human experiments are actually dead. The current hybrids are just copies of their consciousness implanted into synthetic human systems. That's why the original bodies of all the children who went through the experiments were put into body bags. Don't forget, there are actually sheep being raised in the laboratory. Isn't that strange? Why would a laboratory conducting human experiments have sheep? Obviously, the sheep represent cloning. And when we think of cloning, the first thing that comes to mind is definitely the most famous clone sheep. Valley cloning can only copy, not transfer. What Cavalia's company is doing is just copying consciousness. They are no longer who they once were. Nibs has been wondering why their code names all come from Peter Pan. Peter Pan is also the most important element in Alien Earth. The innocence and imagination of children that Cavalia emphasizes are actually more like a form of manipulation. Because children's minds are immature, adults can take advantage of their immaturity to conduct experimental research. And this is also why, after becoming hybrids, they are forbidden from contacting their families. If the hybrid experiment were completely beneficial, Cavalia would not strictly prohibit them from contacting their former families. What Cavalia is doing with the experiment is just copying a consciousness to synthesize a being. The children who were once ill have actually long since died.